Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. How are you? I am fine. I hope that you will be all okay and fit from health by the grace of God. Dear viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Design, and you are watching the best and beautiful collection of underboot design. This underboot design is very beautiful and stylish and charming color, especially made for rainy season and the party wear. Completely waterproof and windproof and excellent melting underboot design. Dear viewers, if you are new on my channel, please do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Pressing for bell icon, you can get my coming uploading video notification first. Dear viewers, as the fashion item underboot design for women do not only make image more adorable but also keep our body wind and rain. Dear viewers, I hope that like my video and share my video and subscribe my channel and share the subscribe my channel with your friends. Dear viewers, if you want to see much more collection, please visit my YouTube channel Fashion Design and search my videos about your choice, just like leather dresses, bridal dresses, summer dresses, winter dresses, raincoat design, shiny vinyl raincoat design, underboot design, fashionable underboot design, outfits underboot design, matching their dresses underboot design, and much more collection for underboot design. You can see my YouTube channel Fashion Design. Dear viewers, please I request share my video and like my video and subscribe my channel and say the subscribe my channel with your friend. Dear viewers, in the comment section please tell me about my videos that how he was respectable feedback about my collection. Dear viewers, my video to be end. Tell the next trendy collection about your own choice. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Take care you. Allah Hafiz.